How to install a built-in sink. Difficulty level 2 hammers. Whatever they are made of, you always use the same technique to install a built-in sink. Ideally, you should install the sink before putting in the worktop. You will need a built-in sink with complete drainage system, a mixer tap with flexible pipes, 2 push-fit compression joints with olives, some PVC glue, PVC piping, and an elbow. You will need a tape measure, a pencil, a drill, a jigsaw, a screwdriver, a 35mm hole saw, and an adjustable spanner. Place the sink onto the worktop. Place the sink in between the opening doors below. Measure underneath the work surface the distance between the edge of the work surface and the leading edge of the sink unit. Move the sink back by this amount to avoid having to cut along the leading edge. Draw an outline of the sink onto the worktop. If you don't have a template, measure the distance between the edge of the sink frame and the outline of the actual sink. Mark this new position to indicate the cutout line inside the first line you drew. Drill a hole in each of the corners of the inner line using a 10mm wood drill bit. Then place the saw blade inside one of the holes and cut along the line to the next hole. Then cut along the other sides. To prevent the cut piece from dropping out, leave a 2cm piece uncut at each of the 2 diagonally opposite corners. When you are ready, get someone to help you support the panel before cutting out the last 2 sections. Attach the flexible water supply pipes to the base of the mixer tap. Screw in the threaded retaining rod. Place the washer on the base of the tap, then feed the flexible water pipes into the hole. Under the sink, add the lower seal and the crescent-shaped washer. Then tighten the retaining nut on the threaded rod. Check the position of the tap and tighten the nut with the spanner. Place the stainless steel waste into the hole in the sink. Place the rubber seal underneath and attach the body of the plug. Screw the 2 pieces together. Assemble the 2 drains using the seals and joints. Don't forget to connect the overflow. Put the expanded foam seal in place under the sink. You just need to press the self-adhesive seal gently into place, but you can also have a seal in a cavity. Alternatively, you could apply a band of silicone sealant. Fixing clips underneath the wood surface will hold the sink in place under the worktop. Place the sink into its cavity and then screw it firmly in place with the clips. The hot water and the cold water supply may be connected with push-fit joints without solder. You should just clean the ends of the copper pipe thoroughly with steel wool. Place a male-female joint and its seal on the end of the flexible pipe. Then place the nut followed by the compression olive onto the copper tube. The copper pipe should be pushed all the way into the joint before being tightened with a spanner. Normally, you have the cold water tap on the right, the hot water tap on the left as you face them. Measure the PVC pipe needed to connect to the existing waste. Assemble the elbows and pipes. The glue will stick better if you lightly sand the ends of the pipes. Apply the glue with a brush or straight from the tube. Now your sink is in position and connected. Everything is ready for you to use. A sink is always in demand.